marching with smiles and positive energy. Green to goodness. They teach us that doing good for others creates harmony. When we work together for what is right, we make the world a better place. Green to goodness.
Naghahanap na ako.
Now, entering the dome, we have bravery, righteousness.
Ate!
They stand for truth and fairness, reminding us that real collaboration happens when everyone is treated justly and equally. Bravery, righteousness.